Categories of robots. There are many robots that we can see around the world. These belong to various categories. Let us learn about the various categories of robots. Industrial robots. Industrial robot is a robot system which is used for manufacturing purposes. These robots are automated, programmable and capable of movement in 3 or more axes. Collaborative robots or cobots. A collaborative robot or cobot is a type of robot intended to physically interact with humans in a shared workspace. These robots are supposed to work along with the humans and provide safety and flexibility. Service robots. A service robot is a robot that is designed to perform tasks that are either time-consuming, dangerous, or repetitive. This helps humans to accomplish more intellectual tasks. These robots are commonly found in households. Some popular service robots are robotic vacuum cleaners and floor washing robots. They are used to clean floors with sweeping and wet mopping functions. Ironing robots. They are used to iron clothes using hot air. Some advanced robots can even fold and organize the clothes as laundroid, which use image analysis and artificial intelligence to complete such tasks. Kitchen robots. Kitchen robots are used to carry out kitchen work. For example, Rotimatic, which makes flatbreads, tortillas, and puris out of flour in just a few minutes. Robotic lawn mower. It is a lawn mower that is able to move a lawn by itself after being programmed. Once programmed, this robot repeats the operation by itself according to its programming. Security robots. Security robots such as Nightscope have a night vision capable wide-angle camera that detects movements and intruders. It can patrol places and shoot video of suspicious activities too. It can then send alerts via email or text messages. The stored history of past alerts and videos are accessible via the web. The robot can also be configured to go into action at any time of the day. Military robots. These are autonomous robots or remote-controlled mobile robots designed for military applications, from transport to search and rescue and attack. Rise and Sapphire are two famous military robots. Robots in the agriculture industry. Robots are changing agriculture beyond recognition, from cobot-assisted milking to cow-herding drones. They are there to help in every steps of farming. Following are the use of robots in the agriculture industries. Plantation. Robots are being used in plantation in greenhouse. They are used in seeding, potting and watering plants. Automatic seeding. Autonomous precision seeding combines robotics with geomapping. A map is generated which shows the soil properties, quality, density, etc. at every point in the field. The tractor with robotic seeding attachment then places the seeds at precise locations and depths so that each has the best chance of growing. Monitoring the farm. Monitoring huge fields of crop is a big job. New sensor and geomapping technologies are allowing farmers to get a much higher level of data about their crops than they had in the past. Ground robots and drones provide a way to collect these data autonomously. Irrigation and fertilization. For irrigating and fertilizing crops, robot-assisted precise irrigation can reduce water wastage by targeting specific plants. Ground robots autonomously navigate between rows of crop and pour water directly at the base of each plant. Robots in medicine. A medical robot is a robot used in the medical sciences. They include surgical robots, rehabilitation robots, etc. Let us understand some of these robots. Surgical robots. These robots either allow surgical operations to be carried out with better precision than an unaided human surgeon, or allow remote surgery where a human surgeon is not physically present with the patient. Rehabilitation robots. They are used for therapeutic purposes. They support the elderly, people with dysfunction of body parts affecting their movements and sick. These robots are also used for training and healing. Disinfection robot. These kinds of robots are very useful in situations where a certain area needs to be decontaminated or sterilized. These robots are fitted with special kind of equipment that allows it to store and administer large quantities of disinfectant. It has the capability to disinfect a room in mere minutes. Face mask detection robot. These robots roam freely among humans and detect faces without masks. They are specially deployed during COVID-19 pandemic and proved very useful. Robots in space and research. Robots play an important role in space and research programs. Robots are sent to space because sending a robot in space is much cheaper than sending a human. They don't need to eat or sleep. Hence, they can work for long hours and they can survive in space for many years and can be left out there for further research. Robots can do a lot of things that humans can't. Some can withstand harsh conditions like extreme temperatures or high levels of radiation. Some of the very successful NASA robots are Mars rover like Perseverance and Curiosity, a Puffer, which is short form for Autonomous Pop-up Flat Folding Explorer Robot, is capable of flattening itself out and dug down to investigate tight spots. The Buoy robot can float on the water and roll its wheel along the underside of an icy surface while taking pictures and collecting data. This would be used in future to search sign of life or icy bodies elsewhere in the solar system. Toy robots. Robotic toys such as Furby have been popular since 1998. There are also small humanoid remote-controlled robots as well as electronic pets such as robotic dogs. These robots combine sensors, computation and motors to interact intelligently with their environment. Lego and Furby were educational robots introduced in 1998. Furby was an inexpensive, standalone and interactive toy. It had multiple sensory movements, light, touch, sound, etc. More than 12 million Furbies were sold in 1 year. Aibo was Sony's robotic dog. It was introduced in 1999 in the US and Japan. Humanoid. A humanoid robot is a robot with its body built to resemble the human body. In general, humanoid robots have a torso, a head, 2 arms and 2 legs. Some forms of humanoid robots may model only part of the body, for example, from the waist up. Some humanoid robots also have heads designed to replicate human facial features, such as eyes and mouth. Application of humanoids. Androids are humanoid robots built to aesthetically resemble humans. Some of the applications of humanoids are healthcare. In the field of healthcare, humanoid robots are frequently used to treat autistic children and has been able to distress level in children suffering from cancer and cerebral palsy. Education. In the field of education, these humanoids enhance student participation. Art and entertainment. Georgia Tech's marimba-playing robot can now compose and sing its own music. Gil Weinberg's robots have progressed from being able to dance along to music that they hear to being able to improvise along with it. Now, Shimon, singer and songwriter robot is being able to compose, play and sing completely original songs. The deployment of robots in the healthcare industries was felt more during pandemic. Some robots could help relieve tired nurses, do some basic cleaning, and could help to supply food packages to the patients. Industrial robots could help to maintain production for manufacturing companies while their human co-workers are quarantined. Robots with humans could help and ease out human responsibilities. Thus, we can say robots are useful during war and peace.